Ollie from Ivy Solar is here, and they've started to lay out the solar panels. Ollie, can you tell us what you're up to?
Yeah, no worries. Obviously a beautiful British day to make a start. So first job is just to mark out and set out where we're going to place all 714 panels, which will make up this 250 kilowatt array.
Yeah, so it's 250 kilowatts, so we'll be overproducing for what we need within the factory, but that'll allow us to charge our electric vehicles, and then obviously put some of that power back into the grid. So Ollie, how did we work out that we needed 250 kilowatts of panels up on the roof?
Yeah, so the first thing we did was go through your half-hourly data. So looking at a year's worth of half-hourly electricity usage, being able to understand as and when you're using power. That information is then cross-referenced against the PV software we use, which will model a certain size array and tell us on an hourly basis throughout the year when power is being generated. Looking at the two figures together, you can then work out how much power has been exported and when and where. So the results of that suggested that the 250 kilowatt we're installing, 88% of the generation would be used on site, with 12% being exported. However, it's a good introduction system for an operation such as Warren, because with the generation data, we can get the data we need to go forward to see what other opportunities there may be for Warren Services to invest maybe more solar, batteries, or themselves changing their operation and finding savings through day-to-day management of people and jobs.